All right, what we have here is SP Legends Cuts 2008. And this will be posted on dugoutlegends.com. First pack, boys and girls. Got some commons. Nothing in there. Another common, little Chipper Jones. Okay, nothing exciting yet. Okay, more commons. Roger Clemens jersey card. Cool. How about Roger?
Some HGH in there,
He's got a needle stuck in him.
And a common Roger Clemens. More commons.
Oogie.
This has something in it.
Oh,
Hey, how about that? Harmon Killebrew jersey card.
what's the number to?
Number to
15?
75.
Nice.
That's not too bad.
That is nice. The jersey, no,
It's a jersey. It's Wokel. This is kind of fat, boys. This is a fatty. This is like the ex-girlfriend, this pack.
And it's got nothing.
And it's got the fake card in it. Great. See? Useless, just like the axe.
We thought you were good, and you look at this guy ruining it for everyone feeling the pack.
Oh, dual jersey, Jim Palmer and Eric Bedard. That's kind of neat.
There's one more jersey.
And one more cut signature.
Oh, look at.
I'm not worried. We got J.J. Hardy with the Brewers. No idea what that is. Yeah.
No, look.
I see.
The bent corner.
I know. I'll send it back to the upper deck.
Oh,
So I don't know who that is, but
What is it, another one?
Yeah.
Really?
yeah. We talked to him yesterday. Joe DiMaggio, baby! Look at this! 15! Yeah, baby! That's number to 15! That's what we're talking about! Yes!
Oh
That's
my
15.
God!
Screw 25! When he punching me!
Oh.
Yeah! Smoking!
Oh,
yes!
crap. Oh.
Number to 15! Yes!
That's
I told you.
awesome.
I told you.
That is pretty.
That is awesome. That's cut from a card, right?
Pinnacle something.
What is with the Joe DiMaggio cards lately?
That's
What is
sweet.
with Joe?
I gotta get some love on that, brother.
What is with the Joe DiMaggio cards?
Dude, number to 15.
It could be
What was your
15
number,
to
Sid?
2,025.
What number is it? 15.
Number 12 or something? Oh, 13. Get his jersey number.
I'm not done, sucker.
Wow.
If you get a redemption, I'm gonna be pissed.
How much do you think that's worth?
That
15.
1,500.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wow.
I was retiring.
That was
Come and
amazing.
see it at dugoutlegends.com.
You gotta call them and tell them. Dugoutlegends.com.
Awesome.
I could not believe that.
Holy shit.
Well, that's cool. Limited to 550.
Let me-
Joe Morgan.
Let me see that.
Nice. And last,
Oh my god. What is with the Joe DiMaggio?
That's ridiculous.
This is nuts. Oh, it's not.
He's looking at it like that. I would have. There'd be fist fighting in there.
Oh my God.
love it. I'm pumped.
How are the corners?
Nice.
Yeah, baby. I'm loving it. Yes.
Give me that. Let's do a recap. Let's show it again. Forget about these pieces of garbage.
Look at
Let's
this.
look at this. Second DiMaggio pull from dugoutlegends.com.
Your flash is on. That's why.